It's impossible to talk about computer or gaming hardware without bringing up memory shortage these days. But even then, Sony's assuring its investors about the PS5 console. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The company wrote, regarding the impact of memory market conditions on PlayStation 5 hardware, we have secured the quantity of memory necessary to meet our projected sales volume for fiscal year 2026. The company didn't say if it would increase prices again for the PS5 over the coming year. However, Sony may see a big holiday bump for PS5 sales since Grand Theft Auto 6, which is already expected to be a blockbuster, is due to be released on November 19. For its first quarter this fiscal year, Sony sold 1.6 million PS5 consoles, a pretty major drop from the 2.5 million it sold in the same quarter last year. It saw a similar drop last quarter, likely due to price increases caused by US tariffs and the fact that the PS5 is now 6 years old. Since its launch in June 2020, Sony has now shipped 95.3 million PlayStation 5s. Despite the sales drop, Sony made more money compared to the same period last year, with sales flat but profit up 37% at $337 million. That's due to the US tariff refunds and favorable foreign exchange rates as the yen continues to drop. Like most tariff-impacted companies, Sony pocketed the refunds rather than passing the savings on to the customers who effectively paid them. Game sales were relatively flat, with third-party sales up but first-party shipments down by 900,000 units. Meanwhile, PlayStation monthly active users was up 2 million to 125 million. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.